Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets for pixel art. So first we're going to modify our sheet to look the way pixel art would look. So we're going to select every single cell by clicking on this button up here. And so once we've clicked that one, we're going to just drag the column for column A, and that way we have smaller cells. Okay, now once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and set each number that's along this column here with a color. Now you don't have to do them all, but you can just do as many as you'd like. So we're going to use this one to make that color. So here I'm going to add, let's say, red and orange, yellow, and then so forth until you have all of the colors that you want for your design. Or maybe you're doing like a free one, a freestyle one where students get to create their own, and that could work too. So let me finish a couple of these and then we can continue. Okay, so we have all of our colors now. This one is white. If you want it to be more clear, you can type the word or the first letter that the color starts with. I don't know if that would be a little bit confusing, but those are some ideas. And if you wanted the colors to be more clear of what number represents them, you could also just make a column next to it and put 1, 2, 3. If you don't feel like By the way, if you don't feel like typing in all of the numbers, you can make sure just to highlight the first couple that you have, drag down, and it'll fill it in for you. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make what's called conditional formatting. Actually, first, let's go ahead and make a box of the directions. So we're going to select however much you want. In here, I'm going to merge these cells. And here I'll type in my directions. And now we can do our conditional formatting. And we're going to just go ahead and make sure that all these cells that we want are selected. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom. Go all the way to 42, and we're going to put a border around it so that students know that that's where their design will go. So what we're going to do is make a set of rules for these cells. Whoops. And we're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. So you're going to tell these cells what to do when you type a number in the cell. So these affect, the cells that will affect are these here, that range. We're going to go to text is exactly, and the value or formula will be the number. So if we want, every time we type a 1, we want it to turn red, we're going to put a 1 and we're going to select red. And then done. So now we have one rule. We're going to keep adding rules until we have all of our numbers that we want to use for our diagram or our pixel art. So here we're going to choose orange. Okay, oops. And don't forget to enter the number. That one's number 2. So we're going to continue until we have all of the numbers. Text is exactly, and we want yellow now, and that's a 3. Okay, so I'm going to add a few more rules so that it has all of the colors here. Okay, I went ahead and added all of the colors to my conditional formatting rules. So now anytime I'm in this box that I selected, if I type in the 1, it'll turn it red. 2 orange, 3 yellow, 4 green, 5 will be blue, 6 will be purple, 7 will be pink, 8 will be black, 9 will be white, and 10 will be brown. Now again, you can add more colors. So now the students can create an art. Again, they can do freestyle, or I can show you a little bit more advanced one. Okay, so this one's a little bit more advanced. We're going to do double-digit subtraction. So I've created a set of problems for students to solve. And here they're going to put the answer. And as they put the answers, a mystery picture will be revealed. So we're going to go ahead and answer these really quickly. And each time I answer them, you see that the image becomes more revealed. And there you go. And so the students can have fun doing it. Now, the hardest part about this is creating this mystery image. I had a lot of difficulty, so I did look for help for these things. But anyway, there's another mystery picture, and here's the answer to that one. These are just for Earth Day. But you can also just create your own. I have a template right here that you can already use. And here's an example that I made. Definitely not the best artist here, but as students work with it, they can get better. Something to remember is if they want something to go wider, they go diagonal, and then down would just kind of end that. So anyway, you can have fun with it. You could just do the Earth Day one just for fun this time. But I know there's tons of stuff online, and if you need any help with it, just let me know. We can set up office hours, or I can make another video for you. Whatever helps you. All right, everybody. Happy Earth Day. Take care.